Hey guys, I'm Anthony Tackett. I'm down here in the shop. It's been quite a while since I made a video, and I wanted to overview a new tool that I've been using. I've been down here in the shop trying to reorganize and make things more efficient. I have some CNC projects coming up, and I just really want this to be just a more enjoyable space to work in. And I've had to move some things around, and one of the tools I've been using is this Fanttik NEX L1 Pro electric screwdriver. And it's pretty handy, so I figured I'd go over the features with you and see if maybe it's right for you as well. So let's get into it. One of the first things you'll notice with the NEX L1 Pro is the small hardshell case that this comes in, and you can tell that they put a lot of attention into the design. And inside the case you'll find a bit set and the charging cable and the tool itself. Everything has a home, and when you close the case, nothing really rattles around that much. This means that you can confidently toss it in a drawer, toss it in a glove compartment in your vehicle, and go. You don't have to worry about bits spilling out or anything like that. One of the most unique things I think about the screwdriver is that it's completely digital. Everything is controlled via two rubberized buttons on top of the tool. You can get to those pretty quickly with your thumb while you're using it. You can change the tool from forward to reverse, and you can adjust the torque settings here as well. There's a LED work light that runs all the way around the chuck so that you can see what you're doing really well. And one other thing that's really unique about this is the patented shark chuck. It allows for a really quick installation and release of a bit, and it really does a good job holding the bit in there. It has 6 torque settings. It's variable speed, and it does run off of a 2000 milliamp hour Samsung battery that's charged via USB Type-C. And there's a convenient battery indicator up on the screen next to the torque and forward and reverse settings. One of the next things I want to do is just show you how well this thing works. So I've got a chunk of pallet wood here. I think this is pine, and I'm going to put a 2.5 inch screw into it, and we'll just do a few of those on camera so you can see how well this thing works. So to start things off, I have an 1.25 inch screw here that I'm going to use, and we'll go all the way up to 3.5 inches so I can show you how well this thing works. Everything I'm using here was included in the set, and let's start off with an 1.25 inch screw. Moving on up to a 2.5 inch wood screw. And now 3.5 inches. Let's see how much more we can throw at it here. One thing that's really interesting about this, you can see I still have full battery. This thing isn't really fast, but it just keeps going. You can feel it want to twist in your hand. It's got so much torque for such a small tool, and I just think it's great. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this started as a crowdfunding opportunity on Indiegogo back in August 2020. But since then, it's been backed by more than 2,000% of the original goal. They are in production right now. This is going to be a real tool. A lot of times when you back something on a crowdfunding site like Indiegogo, Kickstarter, or something like that, you don't really know what you're going to get. But a lot of people believe in this tool. I believe in this tool, and it's going to be available to you very shortly. Well, that's really it. I wanted to put together this quick video. I threw on the lights while I was down here, turned on the camera, and just wanted to overview this tool. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. The bulk of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed at all. And if you want to stay up to date, make sure you click that little bell icon so you get notified when I post another one. If you have any questions about this tool or any of my videos, drop a comment as well, and I'll do my best to get those answered. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.